welcome back. Thank you for being back. And today, of course, we are at, well, tonight rather, sorry, we are at the Sulphur Springs in the beautiful village of Soufrière. Alright. Yep. Oh, sorry.
There we go.
Alright, beautiful people. So we are currently in the first pool at the Sulphur Springs, and the water is not as warm as I expected, although other people complain that it is very hot. But of course, this is it, so we'll be enjoying it for tonight.
The pool. So we'll have to show the others in
Yeah.
the daytime because I have the. You'll have to look at it to see like first though. On my phone.
Oh,
Start?
yeah.
Alright, folks, so in this bucket we have some sulphur mud. And Abby will let you all know what the purpose is of sulphur mud. Huh?
Yes, so it has some little qualities. It helps with your skin's regeneration, takes away dead cells, and helps you get, nice, baby smooth skin. Once you let it dry up on you, you literally feel the firmness. I would not claim that it hurts your pores, but I think it actually does help with that. So, if you have any irritation on your skin, it helps to soothe.
Like my eczema.
Right. The sulfur is actually known to assist with healing, right?
Yeah.
So that is definitely one of those things that can assist with healing and firming and so on and so forth. So Val, take it away.
So we'll just be applying it all over our body, like everyone else does.
Usually you allow it to dry and then you go back into the water, but tonight it's very cold out here, so you might go back into the water right away.
Yeah, very soon. We are not allowing it to dry at all.
Not today. Yeah, but I'm putting it on my legs because ladies, when you're shaving all the time, sometimes it actually gets a bit irritating. So after vigorous shaving in recent activities, I think it would be good for us to do that.
I wonder if you stain our baby.
With good washing, I think it gets it off. But the smell, I don't know about that. It
Yeah.
actually has a sulfuric smell.
Yeah.
I forgot to describe that fact to you.
And if you have never smelled the sulphur springs before, it kind of smells like a rotten egg.
And fat.
Yeah, a mixture.
So
But-
rotten it.
But that is a good thing which we have just learned. It's a good thing as long as the sulphur spring or the volcanic area is smelling, then that's a good thing.
It
That's
means it's done. Right?
yeah, it means that it's done.
Okay. I put a little bit on my face because
I wondered, so I was like, I wonder if I should.
you can put it on your face, just don't get in your eyes and mouth because then your mouth will smell bad.
No one talked to you.
Girl. So yeah, that's it. The mud. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention. There is this white mud, and then there's the black mud.
Oh,
Uh,
Yeah, you can like.
so that's not much of the black mud, but let me see if I can find it. Okay. So there's the white mud and there's the black mud. I feel like the black mud has more healing qualities.
black.
I think so too, Actually not a human being. But yes, I think they each have
Just
their own properties. The black mud, it's got mud and it's more like water.
Yeah,
But the mud is usually thicker than that. I think because of all the people that have used it for the day, they usually refill in the
We
morning.
have a lot of white.
So there's a lot more of the white mud today.
20 white to go around.
Yeah. But yeah.
Probably go and wash up really soon.
Yeah.
Give them a view of the so we'll give you all a view of the pool now.
We'll actually get you some daytime footage of the pools as well, so that we
Yeah.
can actually see what it's about, as well as activity of the volcano itself, because this water doesn't get hot by itself. It's the volcano doing its business 24/7.
Yep.
So we will show you what exactly happens in the volcano, and this young lady is going to show you the pools.
And actually, I thought that during the daytime that you couldn't go into the pools because I thought like I always believed that it was super hot and boiling that you can go into the pools during the day, but you actually can. But yeah, these are the pools there. It starts from at the top here. It starts from at the top here.
That's the first one we will do.
This is the first one. We actually in this one a while ago before we came to put the mud on it. So I think this one will hold about 25 people. So it's right now it's usually warmer than this, but well, it would depends on how much hot water you actually take on your skin. But this one to me is warm right now. It's not as hot as it usually was. But usually that's be hotter than that, right?
Yeah.
Usually if you're hotter than
I think
this, how
during
it
the
is right
day
now.
it's
Yeah. So we have one pull here. Come down. We have another one. This one is bigger. This one is bigger.
Ah, yeah, it looks bigger.
Yeah.
It looks bigger than the other one.
Yeah,
Now
so
that you mention it.
And we have another one down here. We have another one back there. It keeps going up. It keeps going. There are more pools.
the last one.
Oh, that's the last one. This is the last
So before I used to take the one pool.
pool. Oh.
And then you renovated.
So apparently it's newly renovated. It used to only be one pool. But I've been here before, but I will never really concentrate on it all that much. Because I always use this one. I never use any of these down here. I used to always use that first one at the top.
Because the thing is about it, you weren't there when it was renovated. There were only 2 pools here before. But because of the renovations, you have actually have now 4 pools. Alright, so this first pool is very hot. This second pool is supposed to be hot. This one is warm, and this last one is very warm. Alright, that's how it's supposed to be.
It's a little less.
Yeah, so if you go in this pool right now, test it out. It's a lot warmer than the one on
This one
top.
isn't as hot as the first one.
Yeah.
I probably would never bathe in this one.
Yeah, well,
I'm never going
well,
that
a lot of people like this one.
That's why they actually got some relief yesterday.
Oh. And after be careful, don't it stop you? After being in the water for so long, when you come outside, finally you are very, very cold. So
Especially in the night. Because sulphur is naturally colder. So this is the sulphur bath. This is the main pool. It's the biggest one. We have 3 others. They're smaller. There's this one, and there's another one just below the steps where they were. This is the mud. It turns white when it's dry, as you may have seen on passers-by. This is the black mud. This is the whitish mud. Call it gray, call it white, whichever.
Lord.
This is boiling hair.
Yeah.
Wow. This is what it looks like. Different critters smoking and amazing sights. So we're at the top now, and look at this bad boy.
This one is just upset.
This bad boy is muddy and upset.
Very
If you
upset.
fall in there, that's it for you guys.
Ah, he's really upset.
My gosh, look at how many critters are there.
Yeah, they have some more now, eh?
Oh my god.
Yeah. Before the last time we came, they were deep down.
If you guys want a closer look, here it is.
Put them really safe.
See? It's mud.
Mighty good.
Boiling mud. Wonders of nature.
Yeah.
I'll go a little higher up so they can see the rest of it.
Yes. This one is boiling. This one.
Boiling mud. You see when you're cooking porridge
Uh-huh.
and it's bubbling like that? Sister Jean found a better view
Yeah.
of the boiling mud.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another one right there.
Where?
Boiling water right there.
One mud, one water. Where's the water? The water is here and the mud is there. Oh, okay. 2 of them giving trouble.
That's the muddy. So you never see you cooking porridge or like cornmeal or something and it's starting to get hot?
Yes.
these are a little calmer,
Yes.
Yeah.
but they're still very hot.
My
But
God.
these two are the.
What about this one up there? Look at what it's doing. Look at this one. We're bubbling just like this one. But this one is very hungry.
Now he's upset.
My goodness.
I don't know what did it to it. Wow. This creature. It's really upset.
My God. This is volcanic activity right here, y'all.
Because what
Look at the trees.
what
Look
the
at
guy
this.
was saying is that the more it smells, the better. Because when it smells, it's telling you that it's breathing. Ah,
Let me
if
stop.
it's not smelling,
Something is.
we have a problem. It means that it's about